Hi everybody, Lorraine here again. I have an 11 by 14 inch canvas and I'm going to try my hand at getting some of those little gold pearly cells. I tried this before and it didn't work. And I have some of the Deco Art 24 karat gold here, and I thinned it out from the last time I used it, so it's just falling in there. If I'm real close, it's leaving a pile, but it's just kind of dropping down in there. So I thinned it out, hoping that it'll do more of what I'm expecting it to do. This is a self-mixed purple. It's kind of turned out to be a beautiful royal color. And I also have a turquoise that I've added a little bit of ultramarine blue to. So, not sure exactly how I want to layer this, but I know I want to do a straight pour out onto the canvas. This canvas is probably, and I think this is about a 5 ounce to cover the whole thing. So I'm going to start with my purple. Pour some of my gold down the side. God, that's so glittery. It's so pretty. Put in some of the turquoise. A little bit more gold. And then I'm just going to do it again with the purple. Kind of want to use up some of these colors. I think I'm going to put the turquoise next to the purple this time. This is more than enough paint. I'm up to about 6 ounces right now. So that'll cover my sides real nice. A little bit more of this gold. And there we go. And there's my cup. And I am just going to pour it down. This is a dry canvas. I did like wipe a little bit of white off of my spatula onto it. So if you see something, that's what you're seeing. So I'm just going to give this a try. See how it comes out. Try and turn it a little bit so that I get the colors on all sides. I didn't really start right in the middle. Mostly the purple. Okay. All right. Started out a little bit lopsided. Looks like all of my purple is on the top. There's some air bubbles popping. Maybe I will go ahead and torch it to get rid of the air bubbles before I tilt. See if I have something I can use for a corner catcher. It's kind of big. And I'm just going to go for it. Bring it right down to this corner and back. And then I'm going to bring it right down here and bring it back. gold is so pretty. And bring it down here. One thing I've noticed using that 24 karat gold is it puts an iridescence in the entire painting. So it's not just the gold that's shiny, it brings it into everything else. Okay. Let's see what kind of composition we can get out of this here. Get some of the pearly cells over here, that's kind of cool. I'm going to bring this part down a bit. I'm looking in the camera and my purple looks very, very blue. It's not, it's like a royal purple. Like I said, I have more paint than I need. I didn't really want to lose too much of those cells there. I'm going to bring it back. I really like this right here. I'm going to let some of it go off that side. Don't want to have too much paint on my canvas. These paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. I didn't put any silicone in anything. Bring that back. Looks like rock. It's so pretty. Okay. I think that's where I'm going to leave it. So I'm really happy with that. It's real pretty. Don't know where the pearl cells are going to come in, if they'll come in later. I can see some things happening here. I'll give it another quick torch and see what comes out. You can see them right here. They're really pretty. But every line in here is outlined with that gold. It is so pretty. You see, as I'm doing this, I'm seeing some of the little pearly like cells develop. Oh, I really like this. I really like purple and turquoise together. It's one of my favorite combinations. It just is so pretty. So let me get it up here where you can see it well. I don't know if you can see all the little lines in there that are outlined by the gold. Even now I'm seeing little pearly cells pop up. I'll have to let this sit for a little while and come back and film it before I say goodbye to you. I hope you learned something from this. I'm kind of learning how to use this 24 karat gold. It is just so amazingly sparkly that I'm just really wanting to get something with a really nice composition out of it. So bye for now. I'll come back after it's set for a little bit. Okay, so here's how this one turned out. I think it's a very, very pretty. I like the way the lines have the purple in between every color. And I got some little pearly gold cells over here. And I really like that dark purple spot right there. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.